Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with a new video. Now, disclaimer, if you guys hear any extra noise in the background, screaming and all that, y'all know auntie duty, so that's what it is. But anywho, I want to introduce you guys to a new company that will be launching very, very soon. I don't have a lot of information on them, but they are a makeup brand. So they go by the name of Odd Doll Cosmetics. Now, I found them on the website Beauty Cloud. I have talked about that website a couple times here on my channel, so it should not be anything new to most of you guys. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Odd Doll Cosmetics had sent me a pair of their lashes, which I do have on, and they went ahead and sent me some eyeliner. The main purpose of this video is to help get the brand out there and also to show you guys the lashes. So here is how the lashes look. They are 3D mink lashes, but they are very simple. My eyeliner is trash today, but the lashes are very simple. I did mention these lashes you can definitely rock for a more, you know, natural look like I have today. But they are definitely cute. They will be having more lashes. I think they're gonna have lip gloss, lipstick, all that stuff. Whatever you guys can think of that has to deal with cosmetics, it will be there. Now, I'm not too sure when they are launching, but I will leave their website down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. All right, so this is what the products came in. Nothing too fancy, but I do like how the what is it called? The envelope is like this rose gold foil, so that's cute. So they sent me some lashes and they also sent me their eyeliner. So here's the packaging for their lashes. Very cute. It says Odd Doll Lash. It's holographic, and on the back it says that they are 3D, and I think this is a style T05. So these are how the lashes look. And then here is the eyeliner. It says Odd Doll, and the box is all black and has a cute little pattern on it. Then of course it shows you the ingredients. And then it's in this cute little gray silver tube, and then it says Odd Doll. Now, I don't know if this is the official packaging for the eyeliner, because like I had stated in the intro, they are a new company and they're getting ready to launch very, very soon. So it is a liquid black liner. So, ooh. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the liner, and I'm going to apply the lashes. Now, at first I wasn't going to do a wing liner. I was just going to apply the liner. Well, you know what? I'm just going to apply the liner because I don't feel like doing a wing. No. Yeah, I'm just going to do a line. I haven't done liner like this in a long time. Y'all know I love me a wing. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing. Not the best wing today, but that is a-okay. So now I'm getting ready to apply the lashes. So, Here are how the lashes look. Still not dry over here, but they're cute. They're simple. They are 3D mink lashes, but these will be really cute for like a real chill kind of quick natural beats, kind of what I got going on today. I like them. I don't hate them. As far as their eyeliner, as y'all see, the eyeliner is pretty dark, so that's like a jet black. But for one, y'all know me, I'm not too much of a fan of the applicator. I will use it though. I don't hate it, but it's just not my preference. But yeah, the lashes are cute. I really like the packaging of the lashes. Definitely cute. So this video was just a quick demo on how their lashes look. They are a new company and they have not launched yet, so I'm just putting the word out there. But I do appreciate All Dog Cosmetics for sending me their lashes as well as their eyeliner to test out. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully I will work with them again in the future. But that is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course make sure y'all check the description box below. I will leave All Dog's Instagram as well as their website link down below, so whenever they launch you guys can check out their website. I'm not too sure when exactly they're launching. The website just says launching soon, so you guys just be on the lookout for that. But don't forget to comment, like, and of course share this video with your friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Make sure you guys, when y'all press that bell, make sure you press all so you can get all of my notifications so you will not miss a video. But once again, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next one.